Guys, papapiliin natin si Bella kung anong gusto nang gawin. Kung Kizuna o matutulog. Ayan. So guys, ito.
Bella, choose one. Get mo, dali, get mo. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Go, Bella. Go, Bella. Go, Bella.
Wait for Daddy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Panoodin mo to, diyan mo to. Yan. So, blue, first blue. This one, then this one. Then yellow. Then orange. Then red. Okay guys, walang red. So, good job. This one. Hi. Hi, what do you want? Smile! And smile! Yes. Okay, let's go! Wow! Okay. Hi! I want pancake and coffee. I'm hungry. Okay. How much? Alright. Thank you. I want ice cream. I want ice cream. Go, faster, faster. Hi, Bella. I want strawberry. Okay, how much? Dollars. Okay, dollars now. No more. I want burger. Okay, let's go. Okay, faster. Hi. I want cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger, kulang ng isang tinapay.
Ba't kulang ng isang tinapay? Where's the bread? No more. I want fries. I'm full. Let's go. Okay, faster. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, sit down na ako guys. Hi kuya, I'm Luther. What's your name? Hi LJ. guys, gusto daw niya sumakay sa train. Sakay tayo sa train?
Yeah.
Okay, run. Dali, run. Pumunta doon, dali. Doon, Bella, doon. Hi. Hi. Shout out sa Facebook page si John Resty, si De Jesus. O, yan, ito yun.
Okay, salamat. Idol.
Yay! Let's go, Bella. Okay, let's go. Bella, where do you want to eat? Jollibee or McDo? McDo? Okay, McDo daw guys. So, tara sa McDo. Iwan po. Napupupo daw siya. Wait. Let's go. Pupupo ikaw? Okay.